I used to believe you needed a house to grow what you wanted until I realized you can do that anywhere, and this completely changed how I viewed things. This is my patio in my apartment. I used to feel hopeless thinking I'd never have my dream garden because I never lived in a house. I wanted to grow herbs, crops, food that I didn't have to buy, until I had the greatest idea. Me and my family built raised beds in our patio, sturdy enough to grow crops all year round. That's made our ideas come to life. Now we're able to enjoy food straight from our apartment patio, homegrown. If you live in an apartment as well, don't let that stop you from growing what you want, because that's the same thing I used to think